I spoke about building a credible web, fighting misinformation with a data ecosystem. So first I discussed potential goals and pitfalls around misinformation and credibility. Second, success stories. And third, how the CredWeb community group is moving that ecosystem forward. So the goals around credibility are pretty varied, everything from helping people determine what they should buy, to helping them make sense of the world and who they should vote for. There are lots of minefields when thinking about misinformation and credibility, but standards can help here. So one example is claim review. Fact checkers around the world are publishing their work using the claim review markup, and search engines read it. They mark fact checks in search results. They impact search rankings potentially, and it's used by all sorts of tools and research. So the W3C Credible Web Community Group is aiming to drive more helpful standards like this, while also being careful not to support standards that can have unintended negative consequences. Sandro Huck, who is leading that group, has a report out at credweb.org that goes into this in detail. As a component of that, this group is also developing a vocabulary of credibility signals. So the goal of that is to help people support the ecosystem through identifying what are things that are more or less credible across the web. The group is also exploring potential browser interfaces and impacts for credibility data, and there's a lot more room for potential exploration that can help move the ecosystem forward. So you can join the CredWeb community group if you produce credibility data or want to, or if you consume it, everything from products to machine learning systems to research. We definitely need a lot more work in this space, and we want to support research and just a better credibility systems around the world. So you can go to credweb.org to learn more.